sunod. Sila Kuya Janine, sila 7. I'm so sorry Kuya, hindi ka nakahanap ng tablo. Kaya tayo on 5. Okay? Hiwa-hiwalay po ulit. Hiwa-hiwalay. Okay, kids? The boat is sinking. Hiwa-hiwalay po. Group yourselves into 9, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, yan. Yung nasa outer part ang aalisin. Sige nga, bilangin natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kulang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kulang din. Kailangan magdagdag doon ng dalawa. The rest, ma-out na. Ayan.
9 dapat, 9.
Okay? This time, wala nang ulit-ulit. Kung ilan yung sinabi ni Kuya Warren, dapat sakto. Pag kulang or sobra kayo sa group, ma-out na. Maghihigpit na tayo dahil malapit tayo sa finals. Spread out po lang, spread out. Walang magdidikit-dikit. Ayan. Everyone, the boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm so sorry, ate and kuya. Hindi po kayo nakahanap na tablo. Okay, next round. Everyone, ready? The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 1. Oh, ayan. Lumakit kayo para ma-out. Ayan. Okay. Next round tayo. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. O sige. Ilan kayo? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sobra kayo, kuya. Ano yung usapan natin? Sobra ay ma-out. I'm so sorry po. Balik na po kayo sa upuan. I'm so sorry. Sumobra po kayo. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 players left. Spread out, everyone. Spread out. Okay, everyone. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh. Naagawan si Kuya. Dapat kumapit ka lang. Ayan. Okay, we have 4 players left. This time, palikuran na po ang gagawin natin. Ayan. Tatalikod tayo sa kapwa player natin para walang bayan. Players, good luck. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 3, 5, 4. O sige, wala tayong hilo pag ganyan. Si ate lang nasa outer part. Nakayakap yung tatlo. I'm so sorry, ate. Okay? We only have 3 players remaining. So everyone, good luck. The boat is sinking. Group yourselves into 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ate, for your consolation prize. And we have our winners. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating winners. Pwede na po kayo pumili ng inyong game prize. Okay. Okay, ang next game po ay para sa adults ulit. We need 6 players for adults. 6 players po.
Go, Ate Nicole.
ko po mag-dimples. Ay, gusto niya maging police. Palakpakan naman natin lahat si Ate Chloe. At pagkala si Mama and Daddy, ano po ba yung birthday wish niyo para kay Chloe?
Ang birthday wish ko para sa kanya ay maging masunurin sa aming mga parents, tapos maging masipag sa pag-aaral, at hindi siya magkasakit. Matupad naman yung mga pangarap.
Palakpakan natin si Daddy. How about si Mami? May dadagdag ba?
Wish ko sa'yo, Chloe, bawasan mo na yung pag-roblox. And sana lumago ka para kay Lord, maging servant.
Ay, palakpakan naman natin lahat si Mama and Daddy.
Your latest dance moves. Examine your latest adventure and gadget.
And try to help us in preparing the best for the top.
It's great for top top is basically Johnson Big Park.
Jolly down, theme parks open, jolly me and friends and having fun, rides are moving, going for lines and dancing. Jolly down, theme park, hear me calling. Everywhere the kids are exciting, all of the rides are thrilling, smiles and laughter, and you ever after. Oh, jolly down, theme park, we're having fun. Jolly-Town-theme-park, come on friends, marching together, the sun will shine at Oh, jolly, jolly day, happy, happy day, jolly, happy day. Oh, jolly, happy day. Let's all go and
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Global 7th birthday here at Jollibee Palangga Center. Again, ang nagpapala sa ating sister. Welcome to
Johnson Big Park.
Everywhere the games are exciting, all of the rides are thrilling, smiles and laughter, ending ever after. So come on over, we're trying our best. So come on over, friends, and jolly day. Jolly down the
everyone's here. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. From your brother, wishing you a very candle. At palakpakan naman natin lahat si Ate Chloe. Start natin ang natin si Chloe. Kung ano ba ang naging birthday wish? Ayan, Ate Chloe, may wish ka ba?
Gusto ko po mag-dimples.
Ay, gusto niya maging police. Palakpakan naman natin lahat si Ate Chloe. At pagkala si Mama and Daddy, ano po ba yung birthday wish niyo para kay Chloe?
Ang birthday wish ko para sa kanya ay maging masunurin sa aming mga parents, tapos maging masipag sa pag-aaral, at hindi siya magkasakit. Matupad naman yung mga pangarap.
Palakpakan natin si Daddy. How about si Mami? May idadagdag ba?
Wish ko sa'yo, Chloe, bawasan mo na yung pag-roblox. And ano, sana lumago ka pa kay Lord, maging servant.
Palakpakan naman natin lahat si Mami and Daddy.
I will. Not enough.
Dahil picture kayo doon, dali.
Ibe, doon ka lang. Sige na. Yakap kayo, yakapin mo ate. Yakapin mo ate. Olive! Ayan mo na nga. Ayan.